everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have just missed your periods and want to check whether you are pregnant or not, or if you have just tested your pregnancy via a test kit and not sure what the outcome says, you are at the right place. This video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to take pregnancy test at home using pregnancy test kit. And also I'll be telling you all the different possible results and their meanings. One line, two lines, and the one faint line and the other dark line. So I'm going to tell you all the meanings here. So keep watching the video till the end, and also I'll be sharing a quick fact related to the pregnancy test. Guys, one more thing I want to make a mention here, that do not rely on the DIY pregnancy tests using salt, sugar and toothpaste like stuff, as they do not have any scientifically proved basis. So to start with, I would like to make a clear one thing, that whether you are pregnant or not, one line is gonna appear at all the time when you take a test. And the positive outcome depends on the second line only. Now moving further, taking this test at home is very simple and easy. If you are doing it for the first time, what all you will need is a test kit, a few drops of urine, and that's all. We are all set to take the test now. Guys, this is a test kit. It's easily available in the market, or you can buy any brand in which you can see a hole and a result area, wherein you have to put some amount of urine. Preferably, you should test your pregnancy with your first urine in the morning. Now you need to put a few urine drops to check and wait for a minute until the lines appear. Before going further, let me tell you a quick fact related to pregnancy test. The fact is, your pregnancy should be 8 to 10 days old to detect accurate results. Now you might be wondering that how urine measures the pregnancy test. Actually, pregnancy test measures for the placenta producing hormones known as human chorionic gonadotropin, and the hormone human HCG can be detected as early as 6 days after an embryo has been planted in your uterus. Now, if HCG is present in your urine, that means you are pregnant. If not, the result would be negative. If one line appears, the result is negative. If two lines appear, the result is positive. But sometimes what happens, that one line is dark and the other faint line appears. That means it's too early to test, and you should take the test again after a week's time. Dear friends, but one thing that need to be kept in mind is, if in case after a week's time again you find a dark line and a faint line, then you need to consult a doctor, because slow rising HCG levels may be a sign of trouble in early pregnancy. So dear friends, I hope this video helps you, and for any doubt related to pregnancy test, leave a comment down below with your result. Any questions? If you find the video helpful, leave a positive comment and do subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.